Hi everyone, welcome back to GRUDA HAIR Vietnam. I'm Nasa, and today we are sharing easy tips to keep your wig super soft. Whether you are love wigs or you're just starting, these tips are important for making your wig feel amazing. Let's get started.
1. Gentle cleansing and conditioning. Start with a gentle wing shampoo, followed by a wing conditioner. This keeps the fiber soft without compromising their integrity. Wash in cold water for that extra touch of silkiness. 2. Cold water rinse. After your wash, finish with a cold water rinse. It's a quick step that seals the cuticles, ensuring your wig stays shiny and soft. Cold water is a game changer for wig maintenance. 3. Minimize heat styling. Less is more when it comes to styling. Minimize heat to preserve your wig's soft texture. Embrace no heat styling or use low heat settings for that effortless elegance. 4. Quick deep conditioning. Pamper your wig with a quick deep conditioning treatment. Use wig-specific products or DIY methods to restore moisture. Softness guaranteed in minutes. 5. Proper wig storage. Store your wig right. Invest in a wig stand or use a cool, dry place to prevent tangles. A silk or satin wig bag is a soft touch for preserving that silky smooth texture.
Thanks for joining everyone. I hope this tip make your wig feel soft and fabulous. Whether you are a wig professional or a beginner, these tricks can really help. Share your favorite tip in the comments. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more wig care wisdom from GRUDA HAIR Vietnam. Goodbye!